Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete OneDrive folder PC. First, we open the File Explorer where you will see the OneDrive icon. Now, in the search box, enter regedit. Open the registry editor. Click Yes to access. After this, you must go to the exact path that we show you on the screen. There, double-click on the value. System is pinned to namespace tree. In the value data box, assign the number 0. Apply this change. After that, close the File Explorer, and when you open it again, you will see that the OneDrive icon is no longer visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.